So we're fortunate to have Titan Van Coog is its name here in our area. And I know Todd, I said yesterday, maybe you want to take this assignment. He passed. Josh was like, I'll do it.
Yeah.
So, hey, I think that would be great.
It would be.
Put my nose to the test.
That would be
See
so
how
much
it smells.
fun. I want to go with you. Actually,
Yeah.
maybe not.
I hope we're on day, when do we start looking at? Monday? So day 4 here.
Yeah.
I guess that's not very long compared to 4 to 6 years.
No. And the blooming process is very, very brief.
Okay.
Right.
Too,
And
so.
we're hoping this very hot weather will be brief. It's so hot.
I know. At least today's excessive temperature is expected to quickly come to an end. But of course, a KOIN 6 weather alert is still in place for the remainder of this evening, as not only the dangerous heat continues, but the hot, hazy conditions keeping the wildfire threat elevated. Now, we started the day off today with some record-breaking conditions. Our early morning low falling back to 66 degrees. That ties the old record from just 2022, where we managed to fall back to 66 degrees. So a very warm start to the day, leading us to the mid-90s that we're seeing right now, as the hazy skies still remain out towards Ridgefield and much of the Pacific Northwest, as the summer heat continues to build with winds out the northwest at about 5 to 10. Our current air temperature up and down the I-5 corridor currently sitting in towards the mid-90s. But you might be saying, Josh, it feels even hotter than that out there. And there's a good reason as to why that is. That's because our dew point temperatures are up into the 60s through the I-5 corridor. So this is how much available moisture is in the atmosphere, which leads us to our heat index. So as the humidity is higher, it prevents our bodies from evaporative cooling with sweat. It just isn't able to evaporate. So that makes your body feel that much hotter. So the feel-like temperatures are closer to about 97 for Portland, Salem closer to about 103, and the triple-digit mark for the Eugene-Springfield area. Now, we've managed to already have our fair share of the excessive heat. 14 days, now 15, including today, of days in the 90s, 3 already with the triple digits. And just to put it into perspective, on average, Portland should only see 1 day in the 100s on average. This coming off the heels of a very toasty July. You'll remember that record-breaking heat streak that we saw at the beginning of the month, a grand total of 21 days above the average. And that makes the year 2024, the month of July, the hottest on record, well above the average of about 70 degrees. So the summer sizzle is something we have become accustomed to, unfortunately, here across the Pacific Northwest. Now, August, that means some new normals for us. 82 degrees is that normal temperature, 59 our overnight low. And this is typically our second driest month of the year, averaging a little bit more than a ½ inch of rain. Now, it is a cooling month for us as well. By the end of the month, 80 degrees will be our brand new average temperature. But as August slowly slips away, so too does our daylight hours. Within this month, we are expecting to lose about 85 minutes of daylight right here in the Pacific Northwest. You travel just a little bit further to the north into places like Seattle, and you're talking about an hour and a half. But with some of those earlier sunsets that will be approaching, they will likely be very red due to the smoky and hazy conditions that we are currently seeing as the high elevation smoke continues to pollute our skies thanks to fires not only burning here in the Pacific Northwest, but in Northern California as well. That's going to close in on us as we work our way into Saturday, likely keeping our air quality on the poor, if not even the unhealthy side of things, as high pressure, a dome of it building over the west, pushes that summer heat back into our area along with the hazy conditions. This coming as moderate drought finds its way back into our state. Tonight, it's going to be warm out there, 70 degrees, and it will be hazy. Tomorrow, 94, so a bit of a cool down for us as our 7-day forecast removes any of those KOIN 6 weather alert days. But you'll notice we still stay well above the average of about 84 for this time of year, with the 90s, the upper 80s still remaining in our extended forecast. And you also notice that no rain is in sight, although a few more clouds on Saturday helps to cool us down. So August is coming in very hot, just like July was for us.
Yeah. You know it's August when your cooler day is 88.
Yes, indeed.
Okay, thanks, Josh.
Coming up, another Josh. Actor Josh Hartnett returns to the big screen, this time, though, as a